If you have ever looked in the mirror after a wonderful afternoon working in the garden or playing with your grandchildren and wondered why your skin feels a little thinner, looser, or less elastic than it used to, you are not alone. Many people believe that losing skin firmness and developing wrinkles is an inevitable downward slide that we just have to accept as the years pass. We are often told that once collagen leaves our body, it is gone forever unless we spend thousands of dollars on expensive cosmetic procedures or fancy creams that Medicare certainly will not cover. But that is actually a complete myth. Science shows us that your body never completely loses its ability to produce fresh collagen, no matter your age. Your biological skin-building machinery is still inside you right now, just waiting for the right raw materials to turn back on. Today, we are going to explore 7 delicious, ordinary fruits you can find at your local American supermarket that contain the exact natural compounds needed to rebuild your collagen matrix, smooth out fine lines, and support your joints from the inside out, without spending a fortune. To understand how simple fruit can make such a dramatic difference in how your skin looks and feels, it helps to imagine your body as a classic, well-built American home. When a house is built, it relies on strong timber framing behind the drywall to keep the walls upright, straight, and firm. In your body, collagen acts as that exact frame. It is the structural protein that holds your skin taut, gives your cheeks their lift, keeps your blood vessels flexible, and cushions your joints so you can walk, bend, and move without discomfort. When we are young, our body builds this framing easily and rapidly. But as the seasons of life go by, the natural production of collagen slows down, and existing collagen fibers begin to fray under the sun, environmental stress, and normal wear and tear. When the internal framing sags, the outer surface of your skin begins to fold, leading to those familiar lines around the eyes, mouth, and hands. The good news is that rebuilding that inner support beam does not require synthetic chemicals or risky treatments. It requires specific nutrients that signal your cells to get back to work. And the very first fruit on our list is one of the most powerful natural collagen factories on the planet, though most people completely overlook it in the produce aisle. It is the bright, refreshing kiwi. When people think of skin health, they usually think of oranges, but kiwi actually packs more vitamin C per serving than almost any other fruit in the supermarket. Vitamin C is not just a nice antioxidant for cold season. In the medical world, vitamin C is known as the essential biological key that turns on collagen synthesis. Think of vitamin C as the master carpenter on a construction site. You can have all the lumber in the world sitting on your front lawn, but without the carpenter to nail those boards together, no house gets built. In your body, amino acids are the lumber, and vitamin C is the carpenter that stitches those amino acids into stable collagen strands. If your vitamin C levels are low, your body literally cannot form collagen, no matter how much protein you eat. Adding a simple slice of kiwi to your morning oatmeal or enjoying one as an afternoon snack gives your body a massive, natural surge of this vital nutrient, helping to firm up fragile skin on your arms and face while keeping your blood vessel walls resilient. While kiwi provides the master builder, your skin framing also needs protection from damage caused by the environment, particularly the sun. Think about how exposed a wooden porch gets after decades of summer heat and winter frost. The wood fades and cracks unless it has a protective seal. Your skin faces a similar challenge from natural sunlight and daily atmospheric stress, which create harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals act like tiny rust spots that break down your collagen fibers faster than your body can repair them. This brings us to our second incredible fruit, the humble blueberry. Blueberries are often called a superfood, and for very good reason. They are packed with deep purple pigments called anthocyanins. In simple terms, anthocyanins act like a high-grade protective sealant for your skin and blood vessels. When you eat a handful of blueberries, these powerful antioxidants circulate through your bloodstream, neutralizing free radicals before they can attack your collagen matrix. For an older adult who loves spending time outdoors, whether that means tending to a flower bed, taking a morning walk around the neighborhood, or playing 18 holes of golf on a crisp autumn morning, blueberries provide an invisible shield. They help prevent the degradation of existing collagen, which means your skin retains its natural density and bounce for much longer. Plus, blueberries are famously gentle on blood sugar when eaten whole, making them an ideal, safe treat for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Now, as wonderful as kiwi and blueberries are, there is another crucial aspect of youthful skin that collagen alone cannot solve: moisture retention. You can have a strong wooden frame in your house, but if the air inside is completely dried out, the structure feels harsh and uncomfortable. In your skin, natural moisture is maintained by a substance called hyaluronic acid, which acts like a microscopic sponge holding onto water inside your tissue. As we age, our skin loses both collagen and moisture, which is why skin can start to look papery or thin. Our third fruit addresses this exact issue in a remarkable way, and it is a rich, creamy favorite, the avocado. While many people think of avocados purely as a savory ingredient for salad or toast, botanically, the avocado is a fruit and a true marvel for aging skin. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, the very same beneficial oils that keep your cardiovascular system running smoothly like a freshly oiled engine. These healthy fats form the outer protective membrane of every single cell in your body. When your cell membranes are rich in healthy fats, they trap moisture inside the skin tissue, plumping up fine lines from beneath the surface. Furthermore, avocados contain a unique combination of vitamin E and lutein. Vitamin E works hand in hand with vitamin C to double the protection of your collagen fibers, while lutein improves skin hydration and elasticity. Incorporating a quarter or half of an avocado into your lunch each day gives your skin the internal oils it needs to stay soft, supple, and resistant to cracking during dry winter months. As we move through these remarkable foods, you might be wondering how your digestive system plays into all of this. After all, it is one thing to eat nutritious foods, but it is another thing entirely for your body to actually absorb those nutrients and send them to your skin, joints, and blood vessels. As the years go by, our digestive system can naturally become a little less efficient at breaking down complex proteins and absorbing vitamins. If your gut is not absorbing nutrients effectively, your skin simply will not receive the building blocks it desperately needs. That brings us to our fourth fruit, which acts like an internal digestive helper while actively fighting inflammation, the juicy, tropical pineapple. Pineapple contains a very special, naturally occurring enzyme called bromelain. To picture how bromelain works, imagine having a heavy stack of mail delivered to your desk every day. If you do not have a letter opener, opening all those thick envelopes takes a tremendous amount of energy and time. Bromelain acts as your body's personal letter opener for protein. It breaks down large, complex proteins from your meals into small, easily digestible amino acids. These free-flowing amino acids are then quickly absorbed through your intestinal wall and delivered straight to your skin tissue, where they are transformed into fresh, resilient collagen. But bromelain does not stop there. It is also widely recognized in medical research for its ability to soothe internal inflammation. If you suffer from stiff, aching joints in the morning or swelling in your hands after a long day of hosting family, the natural anti-inflammatory power of pineapple can help ease that discomfort while simultaneously feeding your skin. It is truly fascinating how interconnected our entire body is. When you nourish your digestive tract and reduce internal inflammation, your skin naturally glows, your movement becomes smoother, and your overall vitality increases. But there is another secret to collagen production that many people never hear about, involving a tiny mineral that acts as a structural anchor. Without this anchor, new collagen fibers remain loose and weak, unable to provide firm support to your skin. Before we reveal that crucial element, let us look at our fifth fruit, one that has been a staple in American kitchens for generations, yet whose skin rebuilding powers are rarely fully appreciated, the ruby red strawberry. Strawberries are a delightful, low-calorie treat that happens to be an absolute powerhouse for natural collagen restoration. Beyond their generous supply of vitamin C, strawberries contain a remarkable antioxidant called ellagic acid. In biological terms, ellagic acid acts like a guardian against collagen breakdown. When skin is exposed to everyday UV rays or internal stress, your body produces certain enzymes that act like tiny pair of scissors, cutting up structural collagen and causing skin to sag. Ellagic acid steps in and temporarily disarms those cellular scissors, allowing your skin to preserve its natural structure and firmness. Eating fresh or frozen strawberries regularly helps maintain the smooth, firm feel of your cheeks, neck, and forearms, ensuring that your skin remains resilient when you are out enjoying life in the sun. Our sixth fruit is a deep, dark treasure that addresses both skin appearance and the health of your deep tissue and microcirculation, the sweet red or dark cherry. As we age, maintaining healthy blood circulation becomes increasingly important, not just for our heart and clear thinking, but for our outer appearance as well. Every single square inch of your skin is nourished by a vast network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. These capillaries are like small country roads that transport fresh oxygen, collagen-building amino acids, and vital hydration directly to your skin cells. If these small pathways become fragile or narrowed, your skin cells become starved of nutrients, leading to a dull, tired appearance and slower healing times. Dark cherries are rich in potent compounds called proanthocyanidins, which strengthen the walls of those delicate blood vessels. By supporting healthy circulation, cherries ensure that all the collagen-boosting nutrients you consume actually reach the outer layers of your skin. Additionally, cherries are well known for helping to clear excess uric acid from the body, supporting comfortable, painless movement in your knees, feet, and fingers so you can keep up with active days without being slowed down by stiffness. We have covered how to build the collagen frame with vitamin C, how to protect it with antioxidants, how to hydrate it with healthy fats, and how to deliver nutrients through proper digestion and clear blood vessels. Now, we arrive at our seventh and most important, non-obvious fruit, the ultimate reward for taking care of your health from the inside out. This fruit contains a rare combination of nutrients including silica, a mineral that acts as the primary molecular staple locking collagen fibers together. Without silica, new collagen remains weak and loose. This remarkable, highly accessible fruit is the red, sweet watermelon. Many people think of watermelon as just a sweet, watery summertime treat with very little nutritional value, but modern nutritional science tells a completely different story. Watermelon is one of the richest natural sources of lycopene, a potent carotenoid that acts like an internal sun cushion, protecting your collagen deep within the dermal layer. But even more surprisingly, watermelon is rich in natural silica and an amino acid called L-citrulline. To understand why silica and L-citrulline are so extraordinary, think back to that house frame we discussed earlier. You can have strong wooden beams, but if you do not nail them together securely, the structure will shift under pressure. Silica acts as the structural nail that cross-links collagen proteins into a tight, firm lattice, giving your skin its natural elasticity and resistance to gravity. Meanwhile, L-citrulline relaxes your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely and comfortably throughout your entire body. When you enjoy fresh watermelon, you are giving your body an immediate wave of biological hydration, structural silica to lock collagen in place, and lycopene to guard against deep structural damage. It is a complete, affordable, and incredibly refreshing skin restoration package in every single bite. Taking care of your health, preserving your independence, and keeping your skin looking healthy and vibrant does not have to be complicated, stressful, or expensive. You do not need to rely on harsh treatments or spend your hard-earned savings on unproven shortcuts. By simply visiting your local supermarket and adding a colorful variety of fruits like kiwi, blueberries, avocados, pineapples, strawberries, cherries, and watermelon to your daily meals, you are giving your body the precise natural tools it needs to rebuild collagen, smooth out wrinkles, and keep your joints feeling comfortably fluid. You deserve to feel confident, capable, and full of vitality as you enjoy this wonderful season of life, whether that means traveling to new places, taking care of your home and garden, or making precious memories with the people you love most. Your body is a remarkable home that has served you well for decades, and with just a little bit of natural care each day, it will continue to support you with strength, grace, and steady energy for many years to come. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, and stay with us. There are still many inspiring stories and useful ideas ahead.